I'll be taking you back to 2001 with this Chevy S10. Now this vehicle got towed in by a viewer, and he said his complaint was that the vehicle just doesn't want to start anymore. So the first thing we did to confirm the customer's complaint, got in the vehicle, and it is not starting. Look over on the passenger seat, we have the classic starting fluid. These Vortex were known for low fuel pressure problems, keeping the poppet valves from opening. So a common workaround on these was to remove the air cleaner like so. Give her a couple toots. Come back in the vehicle. Abracadabra. It came in here. As you can see, we have a Schrader valve there. I just so happen to have something that fits that Schrader valve.